So how is reciting Gayatri Mantra would help?
How? You know that certain sounds increase your breath. You accept that point?
Yes.
And there are certain sounds which decreases our breath. And this is Gayatri Mantra, it neither decreases nor increases, it unifies the breath in the three levels of consciousness because of the sound. That is why Param Puja Gurudev always used to say, don't worry about the meaning of the mantra. Just go on chanting it, the three levels become united. Now you got your answer. And that is why I always advise you, when you are doing it, don't think about the mantra's meaning. You go to the vibrations.
That is a good point. Actually, you also said that 24 letters are in the body,
Huh.
and it's not related to Sanskrit or any language.
Yes.
It's basically a sound.
Sound and already existing in your body.
Right. So does that mean that you have to chant Gayatri Mantra in certain way, in certain sound?
No, no. It takes its own rhythm. You don't worry, because we are talking about some very great power. You don't try to control it, but you be very clear that you are chanting properly. That means every letter is being chanted. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimhi Dhiyena Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimhi Dhiyena Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimhi Dhiyena. Every letter must be uttered.
We can't do silently.
No, you do it. I am just saying it because I have to tell you how you have to do. What the exact process is, the lips must move, the tongue must move, the sound should not be audible. You get the vibrations properly.
But I've heard that since maybe some people, somewhere I've heard that the Gayatri Mantra should be chanted in a certain way.
You know, now a certain medicine should be used like this. A MBBS says. A MD says no, you should use like this. And the MDDM says, no, they are wrong, you should do like this. Whose words you will accept? MBBS, MD or MDDM? MDDM, is it not? A man who has done such a great sadhana, and his background is Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, who realized all the gods and goddesses. He says you do like that. And why do you worry about somebody who says like that? Okay? Yes? Yes.
How do you achieve dream consciousness? You said you got to have the consciousness of dream before you can make it a reality.
Huh.
But the fact is, most people don't remember what they dream
Yes.
generally. So how would they ever have that consciousness as to what they were dreaming, and then how would they convert that to?
So you are asking me how the breathing process empowers you the dream power. Am I right?
Right.
Okay. There are two types of dreams. One type of dreaming is known as the daydreaming. Many people do that while going in the bus or when they are relaxing. A daydreaming means they are not worried about what they are dreaming. They are just enjoying it. It's okay. And now there are certain dreams which we want it to materialize. So, instead of daydreaming, if you can think of what you want to materialize. For example, about health. If you want to utilize the power of dreaming, you don't worry about your disease. You don't dream that even you utter and you think also it is a dream, even if you don't really visualize. No, I am becoming very sick, I don't know what happens, and after that some troubles will come and this weakness will come. This is a negative way of dreaming. This empowers the negative process. But suppose you visualize that I am very healthy. And you behave as if you are healthy. Many people tell me, you say that by just thinking that I know it happens. Are you also asking the same question? All of you? Now, how thinking as if gives you that power is how you learn driving a car. How do you know, how do you learn driving a car? Sitting beside the driver or sitting in the driver's seat? You sit in the driver's seat. Do you know driving? And why you are sitting in the driver's seat? Because you behave as if you know. But in the beginning, you will do it only in a restricted area, in a safe area. When you understand the dream steps, as if steps are nothing but dream steps, then what happens? You become a driver. And if you are sincere, you can become a race driver also. So the as if thinking is dreaming. But you have to behave as if. If you want to be healthy, and you have to behave as if you are healthy. But don't behave it outside, because if they see behaving like that, you say you work. So in the room you behave as if you are healthy. Am I clear now how to empower the dreams?
Dreaming, thinking, and visualization.
They're together. They're together. A thought becomes a visualization. A word becomes a visualization. It becomes a dream. Almost thinking and visualization are one and the same thing, because each word has a vision. When I say a pen, we say a dog, we saw a cow. So each word has a figure.
And you can
Materialize that.
meditation.
Very easily, very, very easily. But and don't think it is a very great practice. Learning car driving, when you don't know how difficult it is. But I think generally the principles you can learn in 4 hours. Is it not? So why not utilizing the daydreaming in 4 hours? You can, but the seriousness must be there. Seriousness is behaving as if you have become. That's that point. And our whole education system is making you to behave like that. An engineering course makes you behave like an engineer. A medical course makes you behave like a doctor. Is it not? So it is the same process. But because all are doing it, you say it is not dream coming true, it is your effort coming true. But actually you have dreamt to become an engineer. You tried for 5 years. I don't know here the time period for engineering. In South India it is 5 years. So in 5 years of behaving as if an engineer, you became an engineer. For 5 years, you practiced to become a surgeon. You became a doctor. So that is how your words, your thoughts become facts. So why not other things also? If your thoughts make you a doctor, if your thoughts can make an engineer, why can't your other thoughts also happen? The only thing is we don't behave as if we have got it. Am I clear now?